I'm going to replace some AC vent. This piece is loose, as you can see. This is way too loose. Here's a new part. All the F10s, 5 series. I gotta pop it off on the edge right here. Comes out, and then these 2 screws behind here, and then it comes right out. So I took it off. The easiest way to take it off is from here. Pops right out. That's the fastest. And then there's 2 screws. T15. Yeah, T15. And then it comes right off. Here's a new AC vent on the driver's side. Took it out. There's some clips that kind of pops out. As you can see, that's where the clips are. I'm gonna kind of lift it up. Make sure the clips lift it up a bit. It comes right out. The other one completely broke. So yeah, this is the new one. So here's a new AC vent on the left side replacement. Put everything back together. Everything is good to go. It works perfectly fine. It was like about $15, $16. Got replaced from Amazon. So yeah, F10, 5 series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.